In this episode, you are going to learn about Channel Blur Effect tutorial, one of the interesting effects in Premiere Pro. I go to Effects, Video Effects, Blur and Sharpen, and drag and drop the channel blur into my footage. You can see the buttons here: red blurriness, green blurriness, and alpha blurriness. These effects are based on RGB. I changed the red and increased the red in the blurriness. I also increased the green and blue. And you can see that the blurriness of this effect is being added on the channel. It is a very interesting effect for music videos. I can also add keyframes to these. For example, I come on here and increase the red. If you want to master the Premiere Pro tools faster and easier, I'd recommend you to watch the training video on the 6 important tools in Premiere Pro that everyone should know by clicking on the link below. I add another keyframe here. I play it. Well, you can see that this effect is added to my picture very well and adds an RGB sense to my blurriness.